Okie dokie. Example two. We've got some terminology and stuff here that's going to be very helpful for us on example two. So I think I'm going to be doing some typing. All right, now, so, all right, it says total change concepts and explaining an integral in real world terms. I love it. All right, if f of t represents the rate at which your 401k changes over the month of January, all right, then the units of this rate would be dollars per day. All right, so let's go right here. So we'll say, ooh, all right, I like that. So it's going to be dollars per day. All right, it's pretty good. Put that right there. And there you go. Now, what about DT? Well, DT is going to be number of days. So it's going to be days. Okay. And then right here, if you were to multiply those two together, guess what happens? The days cancel. So you're left with, so f of t dt is going to be the dollars. So let's try to get that right there. And that kind of symbolically shows how all of this is working. So the f of t dt actually is serving a pretty good purpose here. All right. So from 1 to 31 of f of t dt represents a total change in the value of your 401k. All right, in dollars. Oops. From no. The change in value of your 401k dollars from. All right, now I like this. During during the month of January. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that'll work. All right, now, so the second one then says, what about this? If RT represents the rate in which your pizza changes temperature in a 475 degree pizza oven 5 minutes after the pizza has been placed in the oven to cook, then what does this represent from 5 to 20? All right, so the total change in the temperature of the pizza from minute 5 to minute 20. All right, so during the next 15 minutes, something like that. Okay, I like that. Okay. Yeah, Gene says temperature of the pizza in degrees Fahrenheit from T equals 5 to T equals 20. Okay, that's good. Okay, now, next. All right, you and your friends are planning to buy a ticket to your favorite musical group, the Newtons. Everybody wants to hear their latest hit, Why Integrate? Why integrate? If A of t represents the rate in which the students are arriving at the ticket window, and P of t represents the rate in which they buy their tickets and enter the concert, okay, so A of t is the rate in which they are arriving to get there, and P of t is the rate in which they buy their tickets and enter the concert. So this is talking about the line, right? So they're standing in line to buy their ticket, and then they leave the line. All right, that's what we're talking about here. All right, so from 1 to 5, that's gonna be the, all right, so this would be, so from 1 to 5, A of t dt represents the total number of students. I'm gonna put that total number of people that join the line from t equals 1 to t equals 5. Okay, then the next one, P of t is going to be the total number of people that leave the line from t equals 1 to t equals 5. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then this would be the rate. Notice no integration here. right? So I don't have an integral symbol. It's back to the original notation. The original notation here is talking about the rate. So this is going to be the rate in which the line grows or shrinks from t equals 1 to t equals 5, because it could be a negative number. So if it's a negative number, then the rate is decreasing. The rate in which the line grows or shrinks. I like that. Okay. So then, all right, this then, if you subtract them and integrate from 1 to 5, that's going to be the total change in the number of people in the line. Okay, so if I have all the people that are joining and I subtract out all the number of people that are leaving, then this is the total change in the number of people in line to buy tickets from t equals 1 to t equals 5. Okay, awesome. Okay, so that takes care of C. All right, they love this kind of question too, where people are joining a line, people are leaving a line, water's flowing in, water's flowing out. These kind of questions show up all the time on the AP exam. All right, recall that velocity represents your velocity going in positive directions to the right. So velocity is the rate in which position is changing. Okay, put that right there. Position. So then this would be the total change in position. So from 5 to 50 is the total change in position. Position. From t equals 5 to t equals 50. Okay, which has a special name in math called displacement. This is called displacement. This is where you ended up, your change in your position. Okay. And likewise, A of t is the rate in which, where is A of t? So A of t is the rate in which position is changing. That is incorrect. Velocity is changing. Yeah, acceleration is the rate in which velocity is changing. Okay, there we are. Okay, so that takes care of those. It's kind of cool. Yeah, this kind of stuff. I mean, and then you can imagine the types of questions that we'll be able to do after knowing all of this stuff. And oh boy, are we going to do them. Oh yeah.